my friends. Hello. So I literally just broke my nail. Hold please. So I literally just came back inside from walking my dog. I checked the mail while I was walking him like I do, and something came for me. I finally got my Boxycharm. I got spoiled last month and it came early. It came at its usual time this month, so my video is going up late, so I don't even know if people are interested in seeing this anymore. And I just want to open it, so this isn't even gonna be a try-on haul, but I want to know what I got. So before I go ahead and open this box for you guys or with you guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do upload every day, Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard. And I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. And now let's just jump into this box because I literally can't wait anymore. I have my handy dandy scissors. Oh, that's satisfying. Okay, no spoilers for me. The card is right here. Okay, so the theme is Gold Digger. So everything is inside this little pamphlet. I didn't really look at it, so there it is. Has all of the prices and everything on it, but I want to be surprised this month. Ooh! Right on top, what I just squealed about are these brushes. These are Luxie brushes. This is the premium synthetic handcrafted brushes, but why I squealed is because they're gold and glittery. So these are eye brushes. You can never have too many eye brushes, and they're so pretty. So there's 4 of them. There's an angled packer brush, a little tiny detailer brush, a smaller blending brush, and then an angled blending brush. I'm really excited about these. These are really pretty. So the next thing I see in here is Farrah Be Beautiful Be You tweezer. It's like they read my mind. I actually do need, how do you open this thing? I'm just gonna, where are my scissors? I actually need a new pair of tweezers because mine are getting really old and really dull almost. So it's actually like a dual-sided one. There's like a pointy side and a regular tweezer side. I've never seen a dual-sided tweezer before, and these are really cool. They actually go with the theme. So far, this has like been the best themed box so far. Like, it's called Gold Digger, and the first 2 items I've pulled out have gold on them. Good job, Boxycharm. But these, I'm actually really excited about these. I think normally if I didn't need a pair of tweezers, I wouldn't be that excited about this, but I actually do need a pair and I like these. So next thing I see in here I'm super pumped about, it's this guy. This is the Cover FX glitter drops. What color did I get? I got mine in the color Nova. Open this up. This might be a little dark for me, but they're just the glitter drops. I guess it makes sense that it's gold because of the theme of the box. Oh wow, it actually like blends into the skin really well. So at the moment I'm filming this, the military ball is tomorrow, and I may actually put this like on my chest because I bet this would look so pretty. This is super glittery. I'll play around with that. I'm not 100% sure how I feel. It like blended into my skin tone fine, but it is very glittery. I'm still excited to have these though. I'm definitely gonna play around with that. So there's 2 more items in the box. So this spray bottle is the Bodyography Pro Makeup Cleanser. So I got a makeup cleanser. That actually works out for me because I think I'm almost out of my IT Cosmetics brush cleaner, and I like to spot clean my brushes in between using them. I'm gonna give this guy a try probably tonight just to see how it does. And then this last item, now this I did get a spoiler for on Instagram, but I'm still excited. So this is the Ace Beauty. Oh, this packaging, guys. This, I'm really excited. I'm gonna get glitter all over this thing. These colors, there's actually no mirror, but look at these colors. I know it's like typical berry warm tones, but so pretty. I am excited to use this. I kind of want to use it right now, but I already have eyeshadow on. If you guys want to see this in use, just let me know. I know a lot of you guys get Boxycharm. I could do a 3 looks 1 palette with this guy too. I'm really excited to try out Clove. It's like a pinky salmon color. It's not really peach. It's like a more salmon-y tone. And then this rose color. Ooh. There's a shade in here called Patchouli. You guys know how much I love patchouli. Ooh, I'm excited. This made it worth it. This was worth the entire box. And it has a nice magnetic closure. So my box was variation 1, and that was my whole box. I'm excited, and I'm super pumped for next month's Boxycharm because I got Boxy Luxe, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. So that, guys, is the entire video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and hopefully that means I will see all of you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!